Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you like a trick related actually to bar chart that I've learned like recently, and it's very cool. So basically here we have actually two bar charts. In the y-axis we have actually countries, and then actually here we have actually two metrics, two stats. So here it is like density, and in the other we have actually population. And as you can see, the countries are not like in the same order, and the y-axis actually is also like repeated. And yeah, I'm gonna show you something like which is a bit different like from the other bar charts. So here the first thing that I'm gonna do is like first of all like sort the countries, sort the y-axis by countries, and in order to do that, like, we're gonna go here, ascending, and then sort by country, and I'm gonna do the same here, ascending again, and also sort by country. So at least this way actually I know that like the y-axis like is the same in both bar charts. Then the next step I'm gonna do is basically pick the second one and go to the formatting, and I'm gonna take off actually the y-axis, and this way actually I have a much proper visualization, where like you know we have actually one country, and I can see it's like two different stats, right, one next to the other. And obviously you can add like some filters, so that like when you pick like one country, then you see only the stats and the information regarding this country. That's gonna be all. Thanks a lot.